expresses my warm welcome to all the audience to Paramita TED Talk. I'm sure that every one of you here have heard the word judgment. Nowadays, even a common man is aware of judgments because the Supreme Court of India has pronounced the significant judgments recently. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. are the important messengers of messages nowadays. Hence, everyone are aware of judgments. What is the base for the judgment in a court? Obviously, it is the Constitution of India. What is the base for the judgment of a goldsmith? I saw in a bank a goldsmith judging the quality of a gold ornament when a person was taking a gold loan. What is the base for his judgment? Obviously, it is his knowledge about the quality of gold. Here, in the above two cases, Constitution is based for the judge, and for the goldsmith, his knowledge about the quality of gold. We can never find fault with the both because they have a strong base in their argument. Ironically, there are many people in this world who judge others without any base. How unfortunate it is. After my presentation, every one of you will come to know how people judge others without any base. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt, who are they to judge me? Of course, every one of you might have felt the same. I think I'm right. If somebody tries to judge me, I'll definitely protest saying that, who are you to judge me? Because I have strong base in my argument. I have my own constitution of life like India has its own. Do you know what my life constitution is? Obviously you don't know. Then how can you judge me without knowing my constitution of life? I have some qualities that are good. I feel so because I did not harm anyone physically or emotionally till date. This is a proof for my belief. How can you judge my qualities without knowing the depth of my qualities? You did not study my qualities like a goldsmith studies the qualities of gold. How can you judge me without knowing my own qualities and my own constitution? Thus, there are many people who judge others without any base. We meet many people in this world and no one is perfect. This applies to me also. Judging others creates distance among the people. Many people in this world point their finger to others without checking whether their own fingers are clean. Now, let me share a small story which is known to almost everyone. Just I am reinforcing it. Thomas Alva Edison is known to all. We are not blind at night because of his marvelous invention, electric bulb. In his school days, Edison was partially deaf. One day, a teacher sent a letter to Edison's mother. It went like this. Dear madam, your Tommy is too stupid to learn anything and is good for nothing. Please don't send your son to school. His mother stopped him from sending to school and she herself taught her child. I no need to explain about the success story of Edison. In the above case, Edison's teacher judged the kid wrongly, but the real goldsmith, Edison's mother, knew the qualities of her son and gave a wonderful diamond to the world which is illuminating our houses still. I say so because in every electric bulb, I see Mr. Edison and his intelligence. It is a common tendency among all the human beings that they judge others without knowing the constitution of others, without exactly knowing the qualities of others. Every one of you, some of you, a few of you may know how to drive a car. If you know how to drive a car, obviously you know the importance of judgment while overtaking a vehicle. Wrong judgment while overtaking a vehicle leads to collision and it's cost your life. Wrong judgment leads to death of other driver too who drives carefully. Similarly, your wrong judgment of others may lead to collision and good relationships may be killed forever. Your wrong judgment may make others to lose their own confidence and they will be feared in front of all. Hence, don't judge anyone until you step into their own shoes. On this occasion, I want to narrate a story. One day, there was a 24-year young man. He was traveling by a train with his father. The man looked out of the window and shouted, "Dad, look there, the trees are going behind." The young man's father smiled happily. Opposite to them, there was a young couple sitting. They thought, though the man is about 25, he is behaving as if like a child. He is looking about 25. He is shouting as if he had seen a wonder of the world. The man again looked out of the window and shouted, "Dad, the clouds are running with us." This time the couple could not resist themselves and said to the young man's father that though your son is about 25, he is shouting like a child. Why can't you take your son to a good doctor? The young man's father smiled happily and said, "Yes, we are coming from a doctor. My son has been blind since his childhood. Just today he got his eyes." The couple's heart broke. They felt ashamed of themselves. Remember, every single person on this planet has his or her own shoes. Until you step into them, don't judge them before you truly know them. If you know me yesterday, you don't know me today. If you know me today, you don't know me tomorrow, because I grew daily. Hence, this is the simple reason why you can't judge me. Thank you.